selections. If your buddy asks, you better give him directions to the contract, as a matter of fact.
Hello guys, how are you doing today? Thank you for coming back into the channel. On today's video, I want to start it a little bit different because I want to apologize that I wasn't able to create videos as often as well as I was doing before. I mean, I got really busy with some personal stuffs on the, well, on, on work, on my personal life, but I expect to be, we're more available starting this week, and we can actually retake the pace that we have with all the videos. But I got an amazing surprise for you guys, and I'm gonna mention it at the end of the video, so stay tuned until the end of the video because I think that you're gonna like it. And for today's video, I want to mention something really special. I mean, we had Jordan Fung's AMA on Wednesday, we have the head developer AMA on Saturday, but I mean, I'm not gonna mention any of those because I mean, I feel that those already are in the past and there is no use for me to actually make a video about those. So if you want the transcript, it is available on the Shiryo announcement group, on the Shiryo official group. So just go to those Telegram channels and you will be able to get the transcript. And on today's video, I want to actually highlight something about the market. We're going to talk about the market and what is doing right now, what is expected with Shiryo, and what is doing Bitcoin. So starting with that, I can say that we already are on the floor that we were talking about for a long time. I mean, as if you actually were following me on this channel, you remember that we had this line for a while. Actually, we reached the end of the line yesterday and I had to extend the line a little bit more. But I mean, we're still inside of this channel and I hopefully expect for us to maintain that floor that we already have for a long time. If not, we will need to have another discussion. But if we do, you can see that we're already starting to get squeezed in between the bull market support band and the support that we have right here. And Bitcoin has to make a decision of what is going on. And I want to point out an important correlation that I've seen that I think that you're going to like. And this is with the DXY. If you don't know what is the DXY, it is the price index of the dollar compared to other currencies. And for example, what is the value of the dollar versus, I don't know, the euro, versus the yen, before, I don't know, any other currencies. And for example, we're actually at this level, and this is something really high. And how high is that? How can we say it if you were actually on a really high position, or if we actually, I don't know, we're gonna go higher, or what is going on with the DXY? And I'm going to explain why I'm mentioning this, because I want to highlight this to you guys that are actually not really invested in the market, because I know that a lot of guys already saw this indicator, but I want to bring it to you. So let's zoom out. As you already know, when in doubt, zoom out to see what is going on. So we're on the weekly time frame, and the last time that we were at those levels, it was on December the 16th. That is correct. It was almost 7 years ago. No, 6 years ago. I know, yeah, I'm kind of getting back. I'm getting bad at math, so I apologize. So it was 6 years ago, the last time that we were at these levels. I mean, we went above, we were scaling, we corrected, and we actually went to these levels again. So, and what happened with Bitcoin on December the 16th? As you remember, if we go to Bitcoin on December the 16th, that is right here, we actually hit the bottom of Bitcoin and finally started the bull race. And why is that? Because a lot of investors feel that, they started to actually invest on the dollar because they feel that everything else is actually on speculative behavior. For example, they sell their stocks, they sell their crypto, they sell anything else, and they start to stash dollars. So I don't know. This is something that a lot of investors do to protect themselves, but basically that is an indicator that I want to see. Obviously, we can say that it can go a little bit higher because you know the Russian-Ukraine conflict. We can say that it can go a little bit higher because all the inflation that is going on in other countries. But this is a really good indicator that we're actually already on a ceiling. We're very arrived to a ceiling level that hopefully it can go a little bit higher. But I mean, the investors know that they already need to do something about it. So hopefully we can see the start of the bull run with Bitcoin, with the correlation of this Y. We can say that Shiryo is as well on this level that he has been supporting for a while. I mean, I'm sorry. It is right here. Shiryo. Next. it is coming up. I don't know why I didn't have it prepared, but I had to actually relearn everything that I was doing before. I don't know what's going on with me. We're still holding on this support level that is right here on the 1300 levels. So everything looks amazing. The market is crashing. I mean, the last time that we've seen, I don't know, this amount of red candles in Bitcoin, it was a really while ago. So I really expect that something to happen on the next weeks or maybe the next month. So stay tuned. Play close attention to Bitcoin, play close attention to the DXY to see what is going on, and pay close attention to Shiryo, because obviously once we actually start the bull run, Bitcoin will drag all the other coins. So thank you for watching the video. Oh, I almost forgot about the surprise that I got for you. So next starting this week, I think that I'm gonna do a special event for all the guys that are actually following me on this channel, and that is I'm gonna design a date. I think it's gonna be on Sunday, so it's gonna be I don't know, on Thursday. I have to tell which one is gonna be the date. Obviously, I'm gonna create a video announcing when is gonna be the date where I'm gonna do this live. But on that live, we're gonna give 3 base packs to 3 lucky winners. And how is gonna be the dynamic? I'm gonna ask a question about Shiryo, and the first person that I see that is replying on the chat, I'll give that base pack to that amazing guy. Obviously, you will have to be following me on Twitter as well, because you have to send me your wallet or where do you want me to send it. But click on that subscribe button, click on the bell icon for notifications, because each week on this channel we are gonna do a giveaway of 3 base packs to 3 lucky winners. That's all that I got for you today. I hope that you like it and stay informed. See you until the next time.
On a Shiryu rocket, we pocket reflections, mint avatars to add to our collection.